Alright, so here we are again, back at it with some more servings of tech news. Now let's just jump right into it. If you're waiting for a gaming phone in 2021, you'll be waiting just a few more weeks as Asus will be launching their ROG Phone 5, skipping the number 4, on 10th of March. There is a dedicated webpage for the launch event, but nothing but a countdown has been showing up on the page as of now. Moving on. The chip shortage can't get any worse, right? That doesn't seem like the case as a winter storm in Texas causes chip factories to be shut down, worsening the global chip shortage. The major chip manufacturing factories affected are Samsung, the world's second biggest chip maker, and NXP, a top producer of chips for cars. In other news, while AMD's 5000 series APUs are not widely available, new leaks suggest AMD working on their 7000 series codenamed Phoenix. While it is said that the processor will debut on a 5nm node, some speculate that it might have even more processing cores on it as well. Now let's take a quick break from all of that, and while you're at it, press that like button if you're enjoying this video so far, and subscribe to our channel to show us your support. Also hit that notification bell if you want to get updated when our channel uploads. Alright, now let's continue on with the video. While Nvidia is halving the hash rate of the new RTX 3060 to make it less desirable for cryptocurrency miners, they also went ahead and launched new processing units specifically for cryptocurrency mining, known as the CMP, which stands for Cryptocurrency Mining Processors. The CMP lineup will not have any graphics output and is fully intended for professional mining. There has also been few news stating Nvidia will be doing the same with the new RTX 30 series cards with driver updates. While you're trying to get your very own RTX 3060 cards, be sure to confirm its VRAM capacity as a new leak suggests that there might be 8GB and 6GB variants as well. There also seems to be development on Western Digital and Kioxia side of things as well. They've just announced 162-layer Gen 6 3D NAND flash memory chips, an increase from the previous Gen 5 which had 112 layers. This allows 40% smaller dies, with reduction in cost per bit and up to 70% more manufactured bits per wafer over Gen 5. While SK Hynix, Micron, and Samsung have already achieved 176-layer 3D NAND generations, it is said that the 168-layer 3D NAND will match the speed of the 176-layer 3D NAND generations. So with all that said, I hope that this week's tech news has been sufficiently informative. If you think that we missed out on anything, do leave a comment down below. And as always, stay home, stay safe, take care, and we will see you in the next one.